How to fold your Uppababy Vista V3. It will not fold with the seat facing parent. I press the two buttons, lift it up, turn it to world face. The frames must be parallel to each other so they're nice and compact. Apply your brake so it does not roll. Extend your handle to the highest point. Then all you have to do is pull the two triggers, go down to the ground, and the stroller will stand each and every time. To open it up, just unlock it on the one side. By pushing the button in, because the brake is on, it'll roll up very, very easily and you're ready to go. You could also fold it without the seat in it, which is my favorite way to fold it because I decide what I'm gonna connect to it. By pulling the two triggers and going down to the ground, it's super compact and very easy to pick up. Once I pick it up on the crossbar, I could literally just stand inside of it and put it into the vehicle. To open it up, again, just unlock it on the side, bring it back up, and you're ready to go. The Uppababy Vista V3. If you're looking for the lightest, most versatile, high-end infant car seat, the Uppababy Aria is the car seat for you. This car seat is only 5.5 pounds, super lightweight, very easy to maneuver, very simple to carry, inside carry, and I can connect it to my Uppababy Vista quite simply, and it's the ultimate car seats for twins on a Vista. They're smaller and they take up less room, making your travel system really, really compact. If you have any questions about the Uppababy Aria, please follow along and comment below. Liking this video and subscribing is really, really important. Call us at 877-82-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. We have 5 convenient locations for you to shop at: Miami, Florida, Paramus, New Jersey, Middletown, New Jersey, Long Island, New York. Comment below with any questions. Stay tuned to watch more videos like this in the future, and thank you for watching.